Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we're going to be working on this 2022 Honda CRV. The 12-volt battery is located right here under the hood. It's fairly easy to get to, but we always recommend checking with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions. That way you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for this. And then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Next, open the protective cap and loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. Replace the cap and then remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal and set the assembly off to the side. Next, loosen and remove the positive battery cable retainer using a 10mm wrench. Now we can remove the fasteners for the battery's hold-down bracket. A 10mm wrench or deep well socket is needed for this. Now we can remove the old battery and its heat shield. And install the replacement battery and heat shield. Now we can reinstall the battery's hold-down bracket. Be sure to engage the J-bolts on both sides and then tighten the fasteners. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals. And your cable clamps. Now we can refasten the positive battery cable retainer. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten its fastener. Finally, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten its fastener. And we're done.